Alright guys, it's about a really large thunderstorm right now. So I'm gonna see if I can get every bit of video as I can. Okay. Oh. Alright guys, I'm gonna see if I can get a lightning bolt. So if my phone wasn't charging it would be dead by now, so alright, I'm gonna go see if I can get a lightning strike. Oh, there goes the one, but I want to get a panoramic view. But I'm charging right now, so I can't go farther than this. So I think most of the lightning came from here, so I'm gonna go see if I can get a lightning bolt. And that little lighting right by the tree is not actually a lightning bolt. It's just my light, so this is gonna be a really big lightning strike. Okay, right now I stuck my camera to camera strap and see if I can get a lightning bolt, you guys. So oh, there goes the rain. Whoa! Yeah! Oh, that's gonna be a big bang. Alright guys, I just took a picture of a lightning bolt. Hopefully I can trim the video and hopefully pause where I can see the lightning bolt. So, that was a giant thunderstorm. So it's really pouring right now. And when the storm gets violent, I'll see if I can get really nice shots of thunderbolts. I know it's kind of strange to take pictures of thunderbolts, but you know, that's I like, you know, it's like lights and stuff. Like we're about to have a fireworks like we're about to launch off a firework and we didn't because no, we got some lightning bolts. It's just as cool. So, yeah. Sorry if this isn't a video that you wanted to watch. This is going to be another lightning bolt coming. I think. Oh, you just saw that one. Okay. Alright, I think that should be good.